Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's me, One Busy Mama, also known as Bethany. I am here with my May Boxycharm, and today's June 1st. So hopefully I upload it on June 1st, but will it matter? Because it's late. It got misdirected and sent all over the country. I don't even know what happened. But if you guys want to see what I got in my May Boxycharm base box, keep on watching. Okay, so what I did before we get started was I actually ordered a box from Boxycharm under my other email address to see what I get differently, and I set up my profile a little different so that my preferences weren't exactly the same. I changed the one that I normally use, you know, so I just adjusted some of the settings to see if that really makes a difference, because really I'm gonna cancel after June for Premium and Luxe. I mean, it's just not worth it. So let's just get into this box. It is the base box, $25 a month, and I'll show you which item I did choose, because you're allowed to choose one. So I haven't opened it. It just came today, which is crazy. So we'll see. And here we go. Oh, I got a card. Now I'm shocked, because I know a lot of people weren't getting cards. I didn't even bring my phone to check, but and it actually has the stuff. So normally you do get a card, and May's month theme was Mother Nature. So there's supposed to be 5 full-size items, and I'll give you a total at the end. I'll leave it there on the screen. So let's just jump into what I did pick, which was the Elemis. These are the dynamic resurfacing facial pads, and there is a label sealed, but it's like red. I don't know if you guys can see, like it was brushed up against something. I don't know, maybe the box. No big deal. There are 60 pads in here, and retail value is $59. So I did choose this. I know there were like the Too Faced bronzer and other things, but I'm really into skincare. So I did get the foaming cleanser last time with Boxycharm. So I wanted to try these pads. So here it is, and we'll just open it, because I will be using these, because I am loving facial pads. So it just smells like a cleanser, and it does seem like the outside of this is dirty, so I'll probably wipe that off. Alright, so that was $59, and they have mild lactic acid and probiotic. It's gentle and effective to smooth the skin, revealing a visibly luminous complexion, which is great. Alright, I see something else, and I just took
Alexa, I'm really happy. I'm thrilled.
Okay. So I'll just pull this out. This is the Appeal. Let's see what they call this. Appeal Cosmetics Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. I wasn't sure if I was getting any lip products, so I already just did my face. So I'll swatch it, because this is a great nude color, and this is in Sugar and Spice. Perfect. And it looks like there's a seal on here. Let's see if we can get it off. I'll have to break it and worry about it later. Alright, so it looks nude in here. this goes for $21. It's pretty hefty for a lip gloss. I think we got, oh, the doe foot is different. It looks kind of like a leaf, which is nice. Let's just swatch the color here. Is this supposed to be matte? It just says Ultra Cream, so there's the color. It is a bit brighter than what's inside. So it's a cream lipstick, satin finish, and covers with one application, rich in color. I do like this color. Matches with everything else I would get. There's another lip product in here, and it is the Jouer, or Jouer. The packaging is really nice, and this is $17. And this is a high pigment lip gloss, and we have the color Broadway. I haven't really seen too many people get this, so I'm interested. This is a non-sticky full coverage gloss. Moisturizes the lips using jojoba seed oil and provides a creamy full coverage pearl finish that glides on smoothly. Oh, I haven't seen this color. Right here, to me, it looks kind of like a burnt brick. And I guess that would make sense for Broadway. There's the doe foot. It's typical. And we'll put it right next to it. Oh, this is like a brown. So it is like a copper. You can see right next to this one. So this is the Appeal and this is the Jouer. I can work with that. It's another neutral. It has a different sort of package, but very nice. Very nice packaging. Okay, moving along. I see this crayon looking thing. This is the Tarte Cover and Concealer Crayon. Finally, you can have extra smooth, easy glide application with full flexible coverage and a lightweight feel. Creamy, long-lasting full coverage correction to a new level. This is $24. And on the side here it says that it has a magnetic cap. Then you have the concealer, and then you have a blending sponge. I'm not even going to open it. It's in the color Porcelain, which I guess would match, you know, my color profile. I'm not going to use this. I already use e.l.f. my Hydro Camo Concealer. I have the Kokie Cosmetics. I also have the CoverGirl, so I probably won't use this. And I have Thrive. So I'll put this in a giveaway. And last, I was really excited about this. I don't know if everybody else was. Ta-da! I got it and I really wanted it. So this is the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. The ultimate lazy girl hack. This micellar water is gentle, no rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long wear makeup, excess oil and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. This is $18. I wanted it, and I will just say this, because I do use the Garnier micellar water, which is amazing. I will not stop using that. So I did want to try a different product that claims to do the same thing. Now, I did see other people post, like it says sample, not for sale, right here. But I think that's just to prevent returns to the store, fraudulent activity. It also says it right here on the bottle, sample. So it is a pretty good size bottle. It is, let's see how many ounces. It is 6.4 fluid ounces or 190 mLs, and has a nice little pump here, which is great when you have the skin pads. No, which is good. I don't like fragrance on my skincare, so I'm really happy about that. So let's just sum it up. Since it is now June, we don't need to really go into May. So I did get 2 lip products. I got the Joe, which is this copper brown lip gloss, and the Appeal Cream lipstick in the color Sugar and Spice. And I got the Elemis facial pads, the Tarte Micellar water, and this Trustique concealed crayon. So I will leave the total price down below in the video, and let me know what you guys think. I know we're way past time, but this is when I got my box, unfortunately. And I'll stay looking for my June. Hopefully everything is kind of back on track so I can do my June Boxycharm. And let me know what you guys think down below. If you haven't already, please hit the like button. It means a lot to me. That way I know if you guys are liking some of this content, if I should keep going. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And thanks so much for subscribing. And check out the 300 subscriber giveaway because we are so close and I'm so excited. And I thank everybody for watching. Stay safe. Bye, guys.